We listen to and exceed the user needs. As we know, the traditional spotlighting is hard to meet the needs of modern architecture. Instead, the high fusion and multi-dimensional scalability of linear lighting can have high consistency with modern architectural space so as to achieve the integration with space. We reconstruct the relationship between space and light to build an extreme and pure light environment for users. We study the relationship between people and light in the environment, then gain insight into the secrets of light, thereby solving the problem of user product selection, starting from the demand of linear lighting, providing customers with cost-effective linear lighting solutions according to the special needs of different scenarios and different projects, such as luminance design and product technical support, sample pre-installation and construction guidelines. Products are not only the carrier of technology, but also the logic of people. We focus on the overall experience in product design, but more demanding details, accepting the double baptism of aesthetics and engineering. On a beam of light 300,000 kilometers per second going through our labs must have undergone rigorous tests. We implement international standards tests such as IEC 60598, UL 1598, 2108, GB 7000, 6,000 hour lifespan test, 80 degrees Celsius high temperature and 93% high humidity test, IP68 waterproof test, LED strip twisting test, etc. These are all things that light must undergo. We follow up our corporate values from one chip to all products, adhere to the selection of the best materials, adhere to lean production, adhere to the bottom line of zero non-performing state. Starting from customer demand, let each node in the production process can be continuously controlled from raw materials to finished products. Quality is the cornerstone of innovation. The heart of craftsman is the guarantee of quality. We abide by the ISO 9001 to operate our quality management work. We insist reject defective products, do not manufacture defective products, and not sell defective products, so our products can meet or exceed customer demands. When the product leaves the production line and enters the logistics process, we begin the journey of racing with the light. The logistics staff are on standby to deliver products to the customers on time and without damage. The journey of light witnessed the mission of colors. Line is the bridge, light is the medium that connects our customers and us. 10 years of dancing with light, focusing on the deep exploration of linear lighting, is the value of all Colors members. Responsibility, trust begin with people and achievements in light. Colors grows together with client.